and you are going to use this alkaline KMnO4 or heat, or either you are going to use acidified K2Cr2O7, that means potassium dichromate and heat, this alcohol will be directly converted into carboxylic acid. Is that clear, everyone? Please do write this reaction.
Yes.
Please do write.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, Arshia, now you are audible. Actually, in the previous class, we have discussed about this oxidation, in which we have seen that alcohol can be oxidized to uh, carboxylic acid using a strong oxidizing agent. This KMnO4, alkaline
Yes, sir.
KMnO4, is a strong oxidizing agent, and this K2Cr2O7 is also a strong oxidizing agent, which help us to convert this alcohol into carboxylic acid directly. So as you can see, this is methanol, an alcohol with one carbon. This will be directly converted into carboxylic acid, which will have one carbon and is a carboxylic acid. So it will be methanoic acid. As you can see, this is ethanol containing two carbon. It will be directly converted into carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. We know carboxylic acid, at the end we use oic acid, and in alcohol we use ol, right? So please do write it and let me know. And please do let me know when you are done with this. It's very easy, and let me know when you are done with this. Are you done with this? Martin,
Yeah.
Ayman, and Arshia, please do write it first. Okay. So I'm going to give you another question in this term, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. And you are going to use this alkaline KMnO4 and heat, or either you can use acidified K2Cr2O7 and heat. Please do let me know the name of the product. Please do let me know the name of the product, and if you don't know,
It's haptenol. Is it haptenol?
Haptenol? Did you say haptenol?
7.
Martin,
Oh, wait.
no.
No, it's 3, right? So it's pentanol. Pentanol.
Oh, see, in which you are converting? Is it are you converting this alcohol into ketone, aldehyde, or carboxylic acid? In which you are converting this alcohol? Ayman, is there any answer that you have got? Arshia, Hamna?
Propanoic acid.
Propanoic acid. That's good. If you are going to use Martin, Arshia, and Hamna, please concentrate here. If you are going to use a strong oxidizing agent, an alcohol will be directly converted into carboxylic acid. As you can see, we have 3 carbon here. That means prop, and all are singly bonded. So its name is propanol. And this will be directly converted into propanoic acid. This is directly converted into propanoic acid. Is that clear, Martin?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So please do write it, and then I'm going to start a new reaction, that is addition reaction. Let me know when you are done with this. Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now I'm going to start the new reaction. That is, this reaction we have already studied in the previous class. Now the reaction is basically addition reaction. Addition reaction. So as you can see, this addition reaction, that from name you can see or you can understand that something will be added in the reactant. So basically this addition reaction is basically for unsaturated hydrocarbon. So I'm going to write a point, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Add hydrogen in the presence of catalyst such as nickel, palladium, nickel or palladium to give saturated hydrocarbon. To give saturated hydrocarbon. So it's very easy to understand that in unsaturated hydrocarbon, hydrogen will be added in the presence of nickel and palladium. These are catalysts. Catalysts are basically used to increase the rate of reaction. That means if some reaction which is taking much time or large time to give products, we use catalyst which generally occur very fast in the presence of catalyst. This catalyst helps the reaction to occur fast. That's why rate of reaction increases. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. So can anyone tell me how many bonds does carbon make or form? How many bonds does
Four.
carbon form? Four bonds.
Four.
Is it possible for carbon to form more than four bonds?
No.
No, carbon cannot expand its octet. It will always form four bonds, not more than four bonds. It's very important to note this in your mind. So if you have unsaturated hydrocarbon, let's say it is your alkene, and this R is basically alkyl group. Alkyl group is basically, I'm gonna write alkyl group is basically, you can say ethyl, methyl, propyl, butyl, this alkyl group, carbon containing group. So if you are going to add hydrogen in this in this compound in the presence of nickel or palladium, so what will happen? As I told you, this hydrogen will be added to carbon, but carbon is already making four bonds, right? So you cannot carbon cannot form five bonds, or carbon cannot expand its octet more than four. It will have a covalency of four. That means it will make only four bonds, not more than four bonds. So in order to add some new elements or group, what you need to do is break the old bond. You are going to break one of the bond between carbon, and now you can see carbon is making, each carbon is making only three bond. Now you have two hydrogen, and hydrogen I'm gonna H2 writing like this, and this will be broken, and hydrogen will be distributed to carbon in this way. And in this way, hydrogen is added, and in this reaction, addition of hydrogen to unsaturated hydrocarbon took place. That's why this reaction is known as addition reaction. Everyone knows that what is addition. So in a what is addition reaction? So in a reaction, when something is added to a reactant, that is called addition reaction. Is that clear, everyone?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Please do write it and let me know.
So what is written below plus H2?
What you just said,
What,
CH2.
what is written below plus H2?
Where I have written CH2.
No,
This
plus
has
H2, not CH2, plus H2.
plus H2. H2.
Below that.
Below that, wait a minute. Are you talking about this HH bond?
Yeah.
Are you talking about this? This
Yes, sir.
I just showed that this H2, I'm going to write it like this, and I just broke the bond, like the bond, and one of the hydrogen will go to this carbon, and one of the hydrogen will go to this carbon. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So it's just like that, and it's nothing. Please do let me know when you are done with this. Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
No. Now I'm going to give you a question. Write the name of the product. So if I'm going to give you CH2 double bond CH2, and you are going to add hydrogen in the presence of either nickel or palladium, what is the name of the product? IUPAC name of the product. This is your ethane. Please write the name of the product. This is your first question. Now I'm going to give you the second question. 3s3 CH double bond. This is double bond CH2, and you are going to add H2 in the presence of palladium. We need to write the name of the product, and I'm also going to give you CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2, and then OH is there, and you are going to use alkaline KMNO4, alkaline KMNO4, and heat. What is the name of the product? Please answer. Everyone done with this? Martin, Ayman, Arshia, Amna, please do respond. See, this is a addition reaction. So in order to add this, you have to break old bond. So it will form CH2. That means basically CH2 and CH2. And you are going to add one hydrogen to each carbon along double bond. So it becomes CH3, and its name will be ethane. In the same way, if you are going to add this, one of the bond will be broken, and you can see this is CH3 as it is, this was CH, and double bond becomes now single bond, and one hydrogen will be added to each carbon along double bond. Now see this, since this is a strong oxidizing agent, so this alcohol will be directly converted into carboxylic acid. So 3 carbon will be as it is, and the 4th carbon will be converted into COOH. So the name you can write easily is, this is your ethane, this is your propane, and this is your butanoic acid. Butanoic acid, because 4 carbon in the parent chain, butane, and oic acid because it's carboxylic acid. You can see this is butanol. You can see this is propane. Is that clear, everyone? Please do respond.
Yes, sir.
So please do write
So
it.
for the first one,
Yes,
ethene.
ethene this was. So if double bond will be broken and hydrogen will be added, so single bond ends with name N, double bond E, so it becomes ethane.
Oh,
If you still have any doubt, you can ask me. Everyone done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just wait here. The paper will be uploaded, and then you are going to do it. And please submit, everyone. Martin, you submitted the solution, but not everyone submitted the solution of this test. Please do submit, everyone. Thank you so much.
Sir, I've completed.
Submit. Right.